Kamusta mga balibulista? Pinatawag ng Capital One Solar Spikers ang Inexlead Chameleons 21-25, 25-21, 25-15, 25-18. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Heather Ginoo sa likod ng kanyang 21 points mula sa 19 attacks at 2 blocks. Nagtala ng 17 points si Laila Cruz, Orindain 10 points, Noriel Apak 8 points, Nigo 6 points, Tolinada 5 points, Sing 3 points, Clemente de Guzman 2 points. Para naman sa natalong Inexlead Chameleons, Permentilla 23 points, Atienza 9 points, Ibon 6 points, Makaslang 4 points, Lona 4 points. Nag-ambag naman ng 3 points si Almonte, Maragino 2 points, Esguera 2 points, Mangulabnan 1 point, Aldea 1 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Winalis naman ng Farm First ang Akari Chargers 25-23, 25-21, 25-14. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Louie Romero sa likod ng kanang 5 points mula sa 3 attacks at 2 aces na may kasamang 19 excellent sets. Nag-ambag naman ng 21 points si Tricia Tubo, Riza Cruz 8 points, Viray 7 points, Bertolano 6 points, Tagsip 5 points, Michael Larosa 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Akari Chargers, Ivy Laxina 13 points, Soyud 8 points, Sharma 6 points, Camille Cal 4 points. Nag-ambag din ng 4 points si Camille Victoria, Raagas 4 points, Faith Nisperos 4 points, Soltones 1 point, Michelle Cobb 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of November 30, 2024. PLDT High Speed Hitters 3 wins 0 loss 9 points. Signal HD Spikers 3 wins 0 loss 9 points. Creamline Coal Smashers 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. Zos Thunderbells 2 wins 1 loss 6 points. Petrogas Angels 2 wins 1 loss 6 points. Chiritigo Crossovers 2 wins 1 loss 5 points. Akari Chargers 2 wins 2 losses 6 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 2 wins 2 losses 5 points. Farm Fresh 1 win 2 losses 3 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win 3 losses 4 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 0 win 4 losses 1 point. Inexlead Chameleons 0 win 4 losses 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong December 3, 2024 nagaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Magtutuos ang PLDT High Speed Hitters at Chiritigo Crossovers alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Chocomocho Flying Titans at Creamline Coal Smashers alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.